The eviction report from here in Louisville shows a shocking disparity between East and West and the impact larger real estate developers are having on an already fragile market. Today's Metro Housing Coalition report was used to get a better understanding of what motivates a landlord to evict someone. Here's how the process works. Someone might violate their lease by not paying rent on time. A landlord would then file for an eviction in court. The hearing would be held. A judge would make a final ruling, siding with the landlord or not, and then the eviction would be executed. The lowest rent these surveyed landlords were charging was still more than $600. The report found most of the time landlords are evicting because of a non-payment. But in the same survey, most landlords disagreed with the eviction ban during the pandemic, most saying the moratorium was not a legitimate response to a public health crisis. Nearly half of the landlords say eviction is not a social problem, meaning they view it as a business problem. Tony Curtis with the Metro Housing Coalition says he knows landlords must run a business, but he wants them to remember that tenants are real people who need homes.
But people need houses over their heads in order to live, to stay healthy and safe, and to be able to be productive citizens, whether that be from an economic perspective or to achieve educational outcomes for families.
Curtis says solving the housing crisis in Louisville will need to be a community conversation, including those landlords. And J.P. Morgan Chase helped fund the commission and research. Regional Manager Paul Costal says housing is a key foundation of stability and health.
Affordable housing and home ownership is a key factor to providing family stability and building generational wealth. But this is out of reach for far too many households, and particularly those Black, Latino, and Hispanic households.
In the end, many landlords said low-income people were evicted the most, but there was only a middle-of-the-road interest in eviction prevention. The survey found many landlords didn't see the contradiction between their making money and keeping tenants happy.